What's the meaning of basting brush? Basting brush. Basting brush.
Basting brush. Basting brush. A basting brush is a kitchen tool used to apply sauces, marinades, or melted butter to food while it is being cooked. It typically consists of a long handle with soft bristles at the end, which can be made from silicone, nylon, or natural materials like boar hair. The brush bristles are designed to hold and spread the liquid coating over the surface of the food, ensuring an even distribution of flavor. Basting brushes can be used on a variety of different foods, including meats, vegetables, and baked goods, and they are an essential tool for many cooking styles, including barbecue, roasting, and baking.